कि सर पे टोपी है, मत कहो कि सर पे टोपी है, कहो सर पे हमारे ताज है, कहो सर पे हमारे ताज है, ये चमन हमारा अपना है।
और आप लोगों के साथ मिलके और भी अच्छा लगता है सबसे। आप लोग जूनियर सीनियर हो, मैं सुपर सीनियर हूँ। ठीक है ना? तो अब हम थोड़ी सी आज करेंगे। डॉक्टर साहब ने आज पता नहीं था मुझे कि मैं नहीं करना आज। एनीवे मैं तो जब मर्जी करा लो मैं करा दूंगी। चलो हम सब खड़े हो जाते हैं, थोड़ा सा हल्की हल्की वार्म अप करेंगे, थोड़ा सा वॉक करेंगे, जेंटल वॉक, मूव योर लेग्स, मूव योर आर्म्स, सांस लेते रहिए, सांस छोड़ते रहिए, ब्रीद इन ब्रीद आउट ऑल्सो। अपनी आवाज आ रही है? ओके, वॉक वॉक, जेंटल वॉक, ब्रीद इन ब्रीद आउट। ऑलवेज बी केयरफुल। सबको अपने शरीर का खुद पता है कितना करना है कितना नहीं करना। बी वेरी केयरफुल। इफ यू वांट अ चेयर, यू डोंट वांट टू डू इट, देन सिट। कुर्सी में बैठे बैठे भी कर सकते हैं। ओके, अब थोड़ा सा आगे हो जाइए। टेक फ्यू स्टेप्स फॉरवर्ड and few steps backward, few steps forward and few steps back. Take few steps forward, 4-5 steps forward and breathe out, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out as well. Keep breathing. Breath is very important. योगी सूक्ष्म व्यायाम कर रहे हैं हम, इसके लिए सांसों की बहुत जरूरत है और हमेशा सांस लेते रहना चाहिए। अब हम साइड टू साइड वॉक करेंगे, साइड टू साइड, वॉक टू द साइड एंड गो टू द अदर साइड। टेक फ्यू स्टेप्स टू द साइड, ब्रीद इन ब्रीद आउट, ब्रीद इन ब्रीद आउट। गुड जॉब, गुड जॉब। You know, this is for your balance also. When you are going taking one step, the other step you balance it out. All right. Now we will raise our arms up and bend the leg back. Breathe in, breathe out. Push the heel back. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. All the way up and down. Inhale, exhale. Knee is not coming up. Heel is going back. Inhale, exhale.
ठीक है ना?
Listen to your body. Whatever you can do, please keep doing. Breathe in, breathe out. You're taking care of yourself. Warming up. Inhale, exhale. Last one, good job. Hands on your waist. Knee toward the chest. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. Even whatever you can do, please do it. Just simple or all the way up. Breathe out. Listen to my breath. Last one, good. Now we are going to squat down. Your feet are little wider than your hips. Push your hips back and then down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathe in. Squatting down. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one, good job. Now legs wide open here. Leave the hands on your hips. Bend one knee, straighten one leg. Breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, other side. Inhale, exhale. Focus on the straight leg. This will bend itself. Breathe out, straighten the leg. Breathe out as you bend down. Last. Now, right foot forward. Right foot forward, hands on your waist. Bend the knee, push your chest out. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. 4 times. We'll do gently and whatever stretch is there, mindfully do it, breathe out. Change again, 4 times on the other side. And last time, 4 times here. These are all your balancing exercises also, and you're strengthening your lower limbs, right from the hips down to your ankle joint and toes. Breathe out. Come on now here. Now we come up for our chest and the lungs. Raising your arms up, inhaling. Open the arms. Bring your arms together. Exhale down. Inhale, arms up, open the arms together, exhale down. Opening your chest, arms together, exhale down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhale down. No need to bend forward. Last. Now legs are wide and we're going to side stretch. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Give yourself good stretch. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale down. Then last one. Good. Now bring your feet hip distance now. Earlier they were wider, now it's closer. Arms in the front, palms facing each other. Inhale. Go to the right. Twist. Look at the hand. Inhaling in the center. Exhaling to the side. Gently do it, feeling the stretches. Inhale with the breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You can look at the hands or go look at the back wall. Give a full twist to your whole spine. Right from the tail all the way to the base of your neck, head. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last time, to the side. Inhale and exhale. Now we're going to stretch ourselves up on our toes. If you cannot raise your arms up, you can just stay here and do it like this. Or let's inhale, exhale. Focus is your stretching, coming up on your toes. Stretching your calf muscles. Inhale, exhale. Stretch up and down. Last one. Now we are still at the spine. For the spine, we are going to warm up the whole spine and listen to your body and do it accordingly. Raising your arms up and bending back. Exhaling, bending forward. You can touch your knees, lower legs, thighs, feet, toes, floor, wherever you reach. Inhale up. Bend back. Exhaling, bend forward. Breathing in up, feel the stretches. Slowly you're moving your whole spine. Merudand. The whole spine is called Merudand. Inhaling up, bending back. Exhaling, bending forward. Inhale up. You can touch your knee with your head. If you want, inhale up, exhale down. 2 more. Last time when you come down, stay there. Loose, your arms are hanging down, your head is hanging down. Just stay there few seconds. Breathe in, breathe out. And very gently raise your spine up. Raise your spine up. Arms come up along with it. Head come up last. Inhale all the way up. Now last standing exercise. Your legs are wide open. This is for the whole body. First rotate your arms. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Go to the rotate your arms and exhale down. All the way up. All the way up, come up. Don't keep doing here. Up, then down. Up. Rotate arms, then down. Don't want to pressure your back all the way. Exhale. Inhale up. Rotate your arms and come down. Inhale up and exhale down. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Last time. And now everybody have a seat, but quietly. No talking, listen to your breath. You don't want to waste the energy. Quietly sit down, please. Observe yourself, what's happening. Close your eyes. You're catching up with your breath. You're fully energized. All the joints, the connective tissues, muscles, you have awakened them. You have just awakened our whole body, physical body. And breath is yet, there is a shortness of breath yet. Give it time. If you have really worked on yourself, then there is a shortness of breath. Slowly and slowly you observe yourself, the breath becomes normal. Breath becomes normal, quieter, softer. Now, as you now observe your breath, hopefully now the breath, inhalation and exhalation has become normal and kind of equal. Feel the sensation of the breath as you breathe in, and also feel the warmth of the breath as you breathe out. Feel the warmth. Observing yourself. Now you must be aware of our senses. As you can hear that there is very quiet now, everybody is quiet. They are observing yourself. Feel the air on your skin. Feel the sensation of clothes on your body. Now, let's take a deep breath in through the nose and breathe out fully through the nose. Take a deep breath in through the nose. We'll do a pranayam now. 3-part yogic breath. 3-part yogic breath. Inhale deeply. Exhale fully. As you breathe in, observe that you're expanding, your rib cage is expanding, your chest is rising. Inhale and exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale fully, observing yourself. As you breathe in, your rib cage expanding, chest rising. Exhale slowly all the air out. Take time to breathe in and time to breathe out. About 2.5 seconds to breathe in and 2.5 seconds to breathe out. This pranayam is called Bhastrika pranayam. This is a simpler way. There are people do it with their arms movement as well. Inhale deeply. Exhale fully. Remain focused on yourself. Also, as you breathe in, thank the Supreme Power for whatever each breath we are taking in. That is His guidance that we are here, we are taking care of ourselves. Thank for each breath. Thank for this organization where we are sitting here, Dr. Sangarwal meet and greet program that we are doing, taking care of ourselves. Inhale deeply, exhale fully. This is very powerful breathing exercise. You are energizing yourself. With each breath you are healing yourself. all the vital organs. You are activating your vital organs. Your respiration, your rib cage, respiration, lungs. Your heart and your brain, your mind. With this long deep breath in, you are activating all these vital organs and systems. Keep doing it, few more breaths. Inhale deeply, exhale fully. Breathe in deeply, breathe out fully. Now take few normal breaths. Now we'll do the next pranayam. It's called Kapalbhati. We'll do for only 2 minutes because some people might have eaten your lunch or. We'll do only 2 minutes just to remind you that we need to do this for a longer time. Now we change the mudra. We do Vayu mudra. Index finger, bring it at the base of the thumb and press it with the thumb. 3 fingers are up there and place the hands palms upwards down on your knees. Spine straight, try to sit away from the back of the chair so that you're sitting on your sits bone. And you exhale through the nose with a gentle pressure. Focus on the nostrils with a gentle pressure, exhale. The action is starting right from your nostrils, through the throat, and going down to the lower belly, moving all the abdominal area. It pushes in itself when you focus on the nostrils. Observe yourself, what's happening. You're moving the whole belly. You're activating the whole system right from the nostrils down to the lower belly. You feel movement of the stomach. In the abdominal area we have stomach, pancreas, liver, kidneys, small intestines, large intestines, reproductive organs. You are massaging all those areas, activating the systems. And all the systems are interlinked, they are not by its own, on its own. Whole unit, body is a unit. If one go bad, you are sorry for that. Something else happens, one thing's bad, only that is not the only place, it goes everywhere. And throw all the negativity out from your body or from your mind. Exhale, exhale. And remain positive. You can pat yourself that you are taking care of yourself. I'm doing good. I'm happy that I'm here taking care of myself. Positive messages all the time. We are still exhaling. Few more seconds. And this Vayu Mudra is good for all the aches and pains in the joints and the muscles, and good for your digestive system. Many diseases are cured by the Kapalbhati, and Vayu Mudra also helps you to do that. Now relax. Rub your hand gently. Place the hands on your face and then come down. And we'll do some micro exercises now. We'll do pranayam, another pranayam after a few more exercises. Stretch your legs out. Focus on your toes. Squeeze the toes, stretch the toes. Toes only, not the whole ankle. No ankle joint movement yet. Toes only. Squeeze the toes, stretch the toes. Squeeze the toes. Feel the stretch. Maybe you are hurting, maybe toes are hurting. Stretch the toes. Squeeze the toes. Breathe in, breathe out. Remain focused. These are my toes. I have to take care of them. I have to take care. No, they are hurting. No. Good. Now, hold feet out. Push your toes out and push the heels out. Push the toes out. Push the heels out. What's happening? Ankle joint movement. Plus, you are activating the quadriceps and hamstrings. Push the toes. Push the heels. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Toes. Push the toes. Push the heels. Push the toes out. Push the heels out. Now bring the feet down. Right foot out. Make circles with the right foot. Make the circles from the ankle joint. Change direction, other way. And bring the foot down, the other foot. Circling the ankle joint. If you feel that your legs is moving, keep the knees together. When you keep the knees together, you are holding it. And move, change direction. And legs wide open now. Move forward in your chair. Legs wide open. Move your feet in and out. Heels are touching the floor. Stretch the legs out. Heels are touching the floor. Move in. Feet in and out. Your hip joint is moving. Hip joint is moving now. Keep on breathing as well. Now feet and knees together, hands on your knees, do butterfly. Feet together, feet also together. Then you have wider stretch. Now feet open. Push the knees in, push the knees out. Push the knees in, push the knees out. Breathe out, breathe in. Now press both the knees to the side, both the knees on one side. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Feet are still out. Feet are do like this. And now this whole stretch. Last one. Good. Now hold the right leg from under the knee and move the foot, inhale, up and down. Now if your hair is fine, you can bring it a little further, you can do that. Or you can bring all the way up. Move the foot, knee, bend the knee, bend the knee, move circles. Other way. And bring it down, other leg down. Wherever you are, if your hair is fine, you can have to move to this one, or up a little bit, or up all the way, or all the way up. Circle. Change Good. You're still on our legs. Lay the right foot on the left knee. Here. Pull the knee up, push the knee down. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out when you're pushing the knee in, you're pushing your stomach. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last one. Now just move it side to side. Bring the foot away from your knee. Then move. Good. Other side. Pull it up, push it down. Pull the knee up, push the knee down. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. Hold the foot and the knee and move it side to side. Good job, very good. Now, I will do some grinding, as they call it, grinding your whole body together. Bring both the arms to the right side. Both the arms and place the hand wherever you feel comfortable. And look at the right shoulder, whichever side you are. Look at the shoulder, hold for 3 breaths. Legs are in the front together. You are not moving the legs. Come back in the center. Move both the arms to the side like you are moving your shoulder. Look at the shoulder and take 3 breaths. Hold the posture. Come back in the center. Again both the arms go to the other side. Hold the posture. Center, last time to the side. Good job. We'll do pranayam now. I'm taking my time. They given 1 hour, they said, but I'll take 45 minutes. Not 1 hour. Okay? Alright, now we do Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. With the left hand, let's make Vayu Apan Mudra. This is Vayu Apan Mudra. This is Vayu Mudra and Apan Mudra. Bring the left hand down, raise the right hand, close the right nostril, inhale left, close left, exhale right. Now, inhale right, close right, exhale left. Inhale left, close left, exhale right. Inhale right, close right, exhale left. Inhale, close and switch. Exhale, inhale, close and switch. Exhale, inhale, close and switch. 3 actions. Exhale, inhale, close and switch. Exhale, inhale, close and switch. Keep doing it. Now you know the method. Remain focused on your breath. This is a very, 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 very helpful pranayam for all of us. And this can be done after 1 or 2 hours after your meals. And this is very good for our vital organs. All the problems with heart and dementia and all that, this is very beneficial for all that. You won't get it if you keep doing it regularly, but you have to give time. Start with minimum 5 minutes and then keep doing it for at least 15, 20, 30 minutes after giving a break in between. Keep doing it. Remain focused. We'll do a few more, about a minute now. Remain focused. Very, very beneficial pranayam. This is the basic pranayama, a basic anulom vilom. Then we have variations also with that. We do Surya Pedi, Chandra Pedi for different reasons. But if you master this pranayama, all the benefits you will get it from here only. Always think positive, that you are healing yourself, you are taking care of yourself. I will get well soon. When you finish your cycle, exhaling from the left, then you bring your hand down and take your normal breath before opening your eyes. Now we'll do one more pranayama. This is for your facial muscles. Everybody wants to do a facial. Let's do that for facial muscles. And I will show you how to do it, and then we'll follow it. Then don't start doing it yet. So this one is like this. I inhale through the mouth, sucking the air in. Through the mouth, like this. You can make a twist with your tongue and then breathe in. When you breathe in, your lungs are full, then you bring air in your cheeks, like this. When you do this, we are holding our nose, but at this time I am not holding the nose. You are holding the breath and bring your head down, make a kumbhak, like hold the breath for a few seconds, then raise your head up and exhale through the nose. I will do it one more time with my hands now. Don't do it yet, please. Watch, observe. When you have to exhale, remove your hand, raise the head up, exhale through the nose. Let's do it for 3-4 times. Closing the nostrils, inhale through the mouth, sucking the air in. Puff out your chest. Head down. Hold the breath few seconds according to your capacity. Hold it. Then remove your hand. Raise your head up. Exhale through the nose. Let's do it. Exhale through the nose. One more time. And if anybody feel dizzy, then don't do it. Good. Take few normal breaths. Inhale. Exhale. We'll do some hand exercises. Arms and hands. Okay? Hands out. Make a fist, thumb out. Make a fist tight, open and close. Now thumb in. Press the thumb. Squeeze. Normal breath. Last time, hands together, circling. Put your wrist together, side and knuckles, then side and the wrist. Try to touch all the 4 corners Keep your arms straight, lots of stretch in your arms and shoulders and neck. Go other way, in. Good job. Hands on your shoulders. Elbows together. Try to. Inhaling, circling up. Inhale and exhale. And now change. Down and up. And last one. Put the hands up. Bring your hands at the back of your head. Stretch. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Stretch up, exhale. Last one. Now place the hands at the back of your head. Take a breath. Push your head and hands into each other. Inhale, hold and push 3 times. Inhale, hold and push. Last time. And place the hands on the top of your head. Inhale, hold the breath and push into each other. 3 times. Hold right hand, the right side, push into each other 3 times. Other side. Put the hands on the forehead. Good. We do for the neck exercises now. Neck, cervical. Okay. First look in the front. Inhale. Slowly turn your head to the right. Stretch and exhale. Inhaling, turning. Go to the other side. Give a stretch and exhale. Stretch and exhale. Nice stretch. Stretch and exhale. And last time, come back in the center. Look up toward the ceiling, pushing your chin up. Inhale and exhaling, chin down to the chest. Feel the stretches. Gently do it. Last time down. Now head down to the shoulder, ear down. Push the upper ear up, exhale. Inhale, exhale down, upper ear pushing it down. Breathe in and breathe out. Last time. Drop your head forward. We are going to make circles. Gently roll your head. Feel the stretch at each angle as you are moving. No need to hurry. Take your time. Gently roll. And move to the other side. And raise your head up. Let's do for the eyes now. Eyes exercise. Look up toward the ceiling and the floor. Up to the ceiling, then to the floor. Few times. Give a second when you look up. Give a second up there and down also. Second. Stretching your eyeballs. Go to the extreme right and slowly go to the extreme left, extreme right, as far as you can see. Last time. Now make circles with the eyeballs. Look up, side, floor, side, and all the way. Make a big white circle. Change direction. Now we'll do Bhramari Pranayam. We'll do 5 times Bhramari Pranayam, and then close our eyes and ears. Take a deep breath in through the nose and make a humming sound. Try to make a good sound so you feel the vibrations. 5 times. After doing 5 times, bring your hands down in a Gyan Mudra. We will chant Om 3 times. Long breath in. Silently breathe, quietly breathe, silent breathing. Now relax into your chair, stretch your legs out. We'll do 1 minute for relaxation. That's always important. Stretch your legs out and hands on your thighs, palms facing upwards. Relax your whole body. Let the whole weight sink into the chair, seat of the chair and the back of the chair. Breathing in, breathing out. Bring your awareness towards your legs. As I speak, relax that area. Inhale, exhale. Relax your toes, lower legs, knees, thighs, hip joint. Relax your legs. Relax your abdominal area, chest area. Lower back, mid back and upper back. Let go, relax, let the whole weight sink down. Grounding yourself. Focus on your arms, relaxing your fingers, wrist, lower arms, elbows, upper arms and shoulder joint. Relax completely. Relax your throat area, sides and back of your neck. Relax the back of your head, crown of your head, forehead, temples. Relax your mind. Relax your eyebrows, eyelids and the eyeballs. Relax cheeks, ears and the lower jaw. All the facial muscles. Now observe yourself. The whole body is relaxed. Your breath becomes softer, quieter, longer. Take 2-3 more breaths. Gently move your fingers, wiggle your toes, move your arms and the legs, and come sit up. Bring your hands in a prayer position. We say a prayer. May all be happy.
May all be happy.
May all be healthy.
May all be healthy.
May all enjoy prosperity.
May all enjoy prosperity.
May none suffer.
May none suffer.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. Take a deep breath. Keep laughing, enjoy it.
जी, पहले तो मैं अपनी तरफ से, फिर अपने क्लब की तरफ से, आप सभी की तरफ से तेजवंत अटवाल जी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूं। और एक चीज मैंने नोट की, शायद आपने भी की होगी, जब हम कल्चरल प्रोग्राम करते हैं फिर भी बीच में कोई ना कोई बातें होती रहती हैं, लेकिन जब ये योगा सेशन होता है, पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस होती है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है। ये लगता ही नहीं कि ये सीनियर हैं बैठे हुए, क्योंकि सीनियर जो है वो चुप नहीं बैठ सकते। और मैं तो ये कहूंगा कि आप सीनियर हैं ही नहीं, आप यंग हैं। एक बार एक डॉक्टर ने किसी ने पेशेंट ने कहा डॉक्टर को कि मेरे सिर में बहुत दर्द हो रही है, ये है वो है, टेनानॉल। उसने कहा टेनानॉल की जरूरत नहीं है, मैं टेनानॉल नहीं देता, आपको एक और बड़ी अच्छी मेडिसिन देता हूँ। और वो मेडिसिन नहीं थी, कुछ नहीं था, सिर्फ उसने उसके थॉट में ये डाल दिया, दिमाग में ये डाल दिया कि ये तो टेनानॉल से भी एक अच्छी दवाई दी है और मैं बहुत जल्दी ठीक हो जाऊंगा। और वो आदमी वाकई ही बहुत जल्दी ठीक हो गया। इट इज ऑलवेज आवर थिंकिंग। अगर आप ये सोचते हैं कि आप यंग हैं तो आप यंग रहेंगे। अगर आप सोचते हैं कि भी अब तो बुढ़ापा आ गया, अब तो मैंने देखा था उसकी भी टांगे नहीं काम कर रही थी, अब मेरी भी टांगे काम नहीं करेंगी, तो फिर आप बिल्कुल रह जाएंगे। तो हमेशा आप अच्छा सोचिएगा, ठीक सोचिएगा, कभी मत सोचिएगा। आपने देखा होगा कि उम्र जो है वो एक नंबरिंग है, ठीक है। आपने देखा 90 इयर्स के भी क्या डांस करते हैं, और 10 को हमने इसीलिए किसी यंग को, किसी अडल्ट को इन्वॉल्व नहीं किया। हम ये दिखाना चाहते हैं कि हमारे ये जो मेंबर्स हैं, चाहे वो 2-2 गोलियां टेनानॉल की सुबह खा के आएंगे, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम करेंगे। और मैं ये चाहूंगा कि आप जबरदस्त तालियां बजाइए जब भी उनकी परफॉर्मेंस देखें, और अपनी तरफ देखिए कि जब सुबह उठते हैं तो फिर कुछ ना कुछ लगता है भाई अब तो दर्द इधर शुरू हो गई, और वो आके यहाँ डांस करेंगे, अपनी परफॉर्मेंस देंगे। उनकी बड़ी हिम्मत है, तो उनकी हौसला अफजाई करिए और उनको देखिएगा और अप्रिशिएट करिएगा। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, थैंक यू वेरी मच। आज
सभी को मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल और आदाब। ये मेरे प्रेरणा स्रोत हैं, बहुत सारे हैं। मैं आपसे बहुत चीज़ें सीखती हूँ, कोई छोटा हो बड़ा हो, मैं हर एक से कोई ना कोई चीज़ सीखती हूँ। लेकिन इनको जब हमने कहीं देखा डांस करते हुए, इतनी उम्र में, ये मेरे से बड़े हैं, तेजवंती मेरे से बड़े हैं, तो मेरे ये प्रेरणा स्रोत हैं और मैं इनको सल्यूट करती हूँ कि ये ऐसे आते हैं जैसे अभी ताज़े हैं। अभी देखिए हमारे राजमोहनी जी, हाथ में भी पट्टी बांधी हुई है, पैर भी जकड़ा हुआ है, और सल्यूट है आपको कि आपको इतना प्यार है, आप फिर भी आए हो, नहीं तो कहीं उधर सिर दर्द हो तो नहीं आते। थैंक यू वेरी मच आपका। दूसरी बात मेरी ये कहनी है कि देखिए हमारा बहुत बड़ा प्रोग्राम जो आ रहा है दिवाली का, तो उसकी सबको बहुत बहुत ढेरों शुभकामनाएं। उससे ये दरवाज़ा जो है ये बंद रहेगा, इधर से कोई नहीं आएगा, उस दरवाजे से वो एक दरवाज़ा खुला होगा, उधर से सबने आना है। और ध्यान से, लिस्ट हमारे पास है, वैसे भी अपनी टिकट संभाल के लाना। और दूसरी, जिनकी ड्यूटीज लग चुकी हैं उनको पता है, अगर नहीं पता तो फिर भी एक बार पता कर लें। जिनकी जिस चीज़ की ड्यूटी है उसने वो करनी है, और उसके बाद ये नहीं है कि मैं तो जा रही हूँ, मैं नहीं, उन चीज़ों को तुमने संभाल के भी जाना है, क्योंकि हम कोशिश करते हैं, पर जो ड्यूटी है वो लास्ट तक आपने करके जानी है। दूसरी है कि रिकॉर्डिंग जिन्होंने जो भी बोल रहा है उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग मैंने बहन साहब को भेज दी हुई है। अगर किसी की नहीं पहुंची तो वो पक्का कर ले कि पहुंची है कि नहीं पहुंची है, तो वो ये ना हो कि उनकी रह गई हो। नंबर अगला है कि वीडियो जब बन रही हो उसमें किसी ने नहीं आना। एक शिकायत हमारे रहती है कि जी मैंने तो बोला लेकिन मेरी तो गाना आया नहीं पूरा, मेरा तो आया नहीं। तो उसके लिए हमारे कैमरामैन जो है वो कोशिश करते हैं वो सबकी खींचे। हो सकता है किसी की रह जाए तो वो अब प्लीज़ अपना किसी को बना लो कि आपकी जो वीडियो है वो अपने किसी ने बनाना है, ताकि अगर हमारे पास ना बन सके तो उसका आपके पास हो कि वो मेरी तो बन गई है। लेकिन वो ऐसे लेनी है कि दूसरा बंदा जो है वो जो काम कर रहे हैं वो डिस्टर्ब ना हो। तो बड़ी पेशेंस से आइएगा। कोशिश तो हमारे सबकी है कि अच्छा प्रोग्राम आपको दें। बाकी जैसे हमारे यहाँ किसी का हाथ नहीं हिलता, कुछ नहीं है, तो वो सब आप ध्यान रखना है आपने।
मिसेस कोहली जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। ये कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस थी और इनको फॉलो करिएगा और ज़रूर करिएगा। दूसरा मैं ये कहता हूँ कि कई बार हम ये किसी वॉलंटियर का नाम ले लेते हैं और किसी का रह जाता है तो वो बुरा मनाते हैं। मैं हाथ जोड़ के क्षमा चाहता हूँ कि आइंदा यही कहूँगा कि आप जो वॉलंटियर काम कर रहे हैं बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, लेकिन कई बार किसी के बारे में मन करता है, प्रेरणा मिलती है कि उसका नाम लिया जाए, लेकिन उससे क्या होता है कि जिनका नाम नहीं लेते, अब इतनी लिस्ट तो आप हर बार कह नहीं सकते, तो दूसरे थोड़ा नाराज होते थे। को काम तो मैं भी कर रहा हूँ, मैं भी कर रही हूँ, मेरा नाम तो आपने कभी लिया ही नहीं। तो मैं ये कहता हूँ कि आप जो वॉलंटियर काम करते हैं सिर माथे पर बहुत अच्छा, और आप लोगों की वजह से ही ये क्लब चलता है। अगर आप वॉलंटियर काम नहीं करेंगे तो हम रुक जाएंगे। तो आप सभी का मैं कहता हूँ, सभी का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। आज का कल्चरल प्रोग्राम एक आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि जैसे पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस आपने योगा में देखी थी, कल्चरल में भी ऐसे ही सुने। आज निमी बहन निमिलम, आज वो एमसी है और नाम कृपया दे दीजिए। हाँ, ये नाम ये है और इनको सभी को मौका मिल जाए तो बहुत अच्छी बात है। मैं ये कहता हूँ कि 3 बजे हमें चाय का प्रोग्राम करना होता है। आप सभी बहुत तैयारी करके आते हैं, बहुत अच्छी आवाज़ है, बहुत अच्छा सुर है आपका। हाँ, अभी मिसेस कोहली ने कैमरे की रिकॉर्डिंग की बात की। देखिए ये मशीन है, थोड़ी देर बाद इसकी बैटरी गर्म हो जाएगी और ये बंद हो जाएगा, उसको रिप्लेस करना पड़ेगा। कई बार वैसे ही काम नहीं करता। तो कहने का मतलब ये है, ये मशीन है। इन्होंने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा कि जब आप अपनी परफॉर्मेंस दें, किसी को अपना आईफोन दे दे कि भी इसको रिकॉर्ड कर दे। आप हमारे ऊपर हर चीज ना छोड़े, हमारी भी लिमिटेशंस हैं। तो हम ये कहते हैं कि उस दिन हम जरूर किसी की ड्यूटी लगाएंगे कि वो जितना भी है, लेकिन कैमरे की एक लिमिट होती है। उसके बाद आपने देखा अभी इसकी बैटरी रिप्लेस की, अभी फिर रिप्लेस करनी पड़ेगी, हो सकता है उसके बाद ये चले ही ना, तो वो आप उसका ध्यान करिएगा।
ये चमन हमारा अपना है, ये चमन